How to use the accessibility shortcut on your phone. The accessibility shortcut is a useful function which lets you open features on your iPhone or Android device. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, then Accessibility. Scroll to the bottom of the menu and select Accessibility Shortcut. Here you'll find the features which you can open using the shortcut. As an example, we've selected Voiceover. To turn on Voiceover using the accessibility shortcut, triple-click the Home button.
Voiceover on.
Triple-click the Home button again to turn Voiceover off.
Voiceover off.
Many Android smartphones also have an accessibility shortcut feature. Each Android device might be slightly different, but here we're using a Samsung A5. To use the accessibility shortcut to open the screen reader feature, go to Apps, Settings, Accessibility, then Vision. Select Accessibility Shortcut and switch it on. To use the shortcut, hold down the power button until you hear a sound. Then place 2 fingers on the screen until you hear that Voice Assistant has been switched on.
Keep holding down 2 fingers to enable accessibility. Voice Assistant on.
That's an introduction to using the accessibility shortcut on your iPhone and Android device.